truth and sick kicks. It's Skip Trip Bengals. I am a living legend. Can't play Mr. Game Day. Shannon, Shay, Sharpe. Get off my property. Who was the greatest debater of all time? Always right, never wrong, undisputed. The holidays are here at Ricart. Let's get these savings powered up. Year-end savings are underway, and Ricart's got you covered this shopping season. How about no payments until March, a $500 gas card? And the tradition continues. Ricart presents Trans-Siberian Orchestra Nationwide Arena benefiting a kid again. It really is the season of giving. Shop RicartChevrolet.com. At Ricart, we're dealing.
Hash browns are the French fries of breakfast.
Who says it's not French fries that are the hash browns of lunch and dinner?
That's also true.
Mix and match two of your favorites for just $3 and paired with a $1 any size Dr. Pepper.
Are we there yet? Almost. Because DraftKings Sportsbook is right around the corner, Ohio. You're on the road to betting legally on same-game parlays, spreads, money lines, props, and more. Anytime and anywhere across the state. So get hyped, Ohio. Soon you can start betting on all your favorite sports. Download the app to get $200 in free bets. Plus, 5 lucky winners will score a free $100,000 bet when we go live. So get ready to get in on the action. Feed your family with a Bob Evans 3-course family meal to go, including entree, salad, and dessert, all for a great low price. And upgrade your dessert for free with our new Holy Cow chocolate cake.
Mark Whalberg Chevrolet, the #1 name for Chevy, is kicking off the game with the best prices on all cars, trucks, and SUVs, with more new car inventory arriving daily. Plus, the largest used car selection with over 1,000 used vehicles prepped and ready to go. Visit one of our 2 great locations in Worthington or in Columbus on Broad Street, or shop online and score big every day with the home team advantage at Mark Whalberg Chevrolet, the #1 name for Chevy.
Being on your side
Means keeping you informed.
The Verizon Halftime is brought to you by Verizon, the network you deserve, the savings you want.
It's about character. It's about belief. It's about trust. This is not an adventure race. This is a military selection.
Do I still have that fire?
They've entered our world. They will play by our rules.
He's got a dog in his waiting room. You need to call a code white.
After everything that I have done, I protected you. Do you really trust the FBI? As long as Camgar is breathing, none of us are safe.
I didn't steal from you.
You've lied to me one too many times. Finish her. Get back.
The Clean Lady 2-hour season finale tomorrow on Fox.
We will get your baby back.
Alert premieres January 8th on Fox.
Growing up, I struggled in school. I never felt good enough until I was diagnosed with dyslexia. My dyslexia was seen as a disability, which only fueled me to prove people wrong. But for every success story, there are thousands of others that aren't so lucky. That's why I teamed up with Made by Dyslexia to advocate for those who think differently. To all the kids like me, I see. This is my cause and my pledge to raise awareness for dyslexia.
Trapped in human trafficking and addiction.
I was snatched by my first trafficker when I was 13.
Local women desperate for kindness.
Definitely about women helping women.
On your side, ABC 6 News discovers shining stars in Central Ohio, helping victims escape the pain of life on the streets.
The bus woke up one day and said, "Oh, I want to walk down Sullivan Avenue and sell my body."
Providing hope and relief to women looking for a way out.
Kind of like angels on earth. Tell me about what this means to you. I just appreciate it. I'm thankful for it.
Monday at 6:15 p.m.
Getting the kids out the door this time of year can be challenging.
But ABC 6 News is on your side,
Always working to make your snow day a good day.
so you'll know when to head to the bus stop or back to the couch. With information that's always on, even during commercials.
Why are more people in Central Ohio turning to ABC 6 News?
We have the largest and most experienced news team right now in Central Ohio.
Our reporters really are going out there because they really care.
They've proven track record for sticking up for folks.
The more we shine that spotlight onto these issues, the more likely we are to come up with solutions.
The biggest issues in Central Ohio right now: housing, youth crime, economic development.
When we shine a light on the problem, things get solved. This is the National Desk. Valuable explanations from experts. Up to a half or even more of breast cancers can be missed in women with dense breast tissue. Follow-up investigative reports from the National Desk.
I'm sorry I had to lose my life this way.
Breaking news from the live desk.
Choose America's news now.
The National Desk. Weekday mornings starting at 6 on the CW Columbus.
Roman Reigns returns to Smackdown. Plus, Gunther defends the Intercontinental title against Ricochet. An all-new edition of Friday Night Smackdown, live at 8 Eastern, 7 Central on Fox.
At Germain KIA of Columbus, it's the season of giving. New Sportages, Sorrentos, and Souls. Everything on sale with many less than MSRP. At Germain KIA of Columbus.
Today, my family got up to date on our immunizations, including COVID-19. It was all part of our Say Yes to Health Day,
That's where everyone in the family.
including parents.
Including kids.
Has to do whatever you tell them.
As long as it's healthy.
Yoga? It's good for your physical and mental health.
Give your family a Say Yes to Health Day. And keep your kids up to date on their immunizations.
There's never been a better time to get away. With a great deal on the Hyundai you've always wanted. With America's best warranty and up to 3 years complimentary maintenance. It's your journey. Own every mile at the Hyundai Getaway Sales Event. Hurry in to get our best deals of the season. Get in and get away. Now get 0% APR plus 500 bonus cash with no payments for 90 days on our most popular models. Visit buyhyundai.com today.
At DHL Supply Chain, we don't believe in boundaries. We believe in people. People who think big, move fast, and love to solve complex challenges. We're hiring for a wide range of salaried operational and functional roles. Experience in logistics is welcome but not required. You bring the aptitude and the drive. We'll supply everything else you need to build a long and rewarding career. All opportunities, no boundaries. DHL Supply Chain. Apply today at joindhl.com.
At Germain KIA of Columbus, it's the season of giving. New Sportages, Sorrentos, and Souls. Everything on sale with many less than MSRP. At Germain KIA of Columbus.
Helping women trapped on Columbus streets. Monday.
In the jungle, if you have fire, you have power.
All of this power came from the pain. I put in twice the work, but I never complain. I hit it where it hurts, cause I know what it takes. And if you scared of the flame, don't speak my name in no vain.
Gonna loft it down the sideline. Chase has it. And he's in. Touchdown, Cincinnati.
This broadcast is copyrighted by NFL Productions for the private use of our audience. Any other use of this broadcast or any pictures, descriptions, or accounts of the game without the consent of NFL Productions is prohibited.